Hi, my name is Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA, and today I want to take a couple minutes to talk to you about creating a financial strategy for Battle Royale Fortnite esports athletes. So without further ado, let's go and jump to the blog. Here we are on the blog, and as you know, if you're a Battle Royale Fortnite esports athlete, your primary goal is winning tournaments as well as securing endorsement deals. However, this can leave little time to focus on other important aspects of your playing career, such as accounting, bookkeeping, and tax planning. And this can be detrimental to your overall financial health and your overall financial success as an esports athlete. Because if you don't understand whether you're an employee or you're an independent contractor, it's going to be tough to understand which deductions you can take to minimize the amount of taxes that you owe when tax season rolls around. And this could mean that you're overpaying your taxes, taking money out of your pocket that you don't need to. Conversely, if you don't understand the tax jurisdictions that you owe money in, whether that's domestically in the United States or internationally, you could be underpaying your taxes, meaning that you're going to face fines and penalties from the IRS and the SEC. And that's why we here at Fusion CPA recommend that you hire an entertainment accountant who is well versed in the esports industry, specifically for Battle Royale Fortnite esports athletes, because they can not only help you maximize your tax deductions so you're paying the least amount possible when tax season rolls around, but they're also going to help you look for things like endorsements and sponsorships to generate more income or revenue in your playing career. So if you want to know how we here at Fusion CPA can help you as a Battle Royale Fortnite esports athlete, you can actually scroll to the bottom of our blog here and click on the Speak with a CPA Today button. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to a page where you can book a free discovery call with one of our accountants here at Fusion CPA. You can also scroll to the bottom of this page and call us directly at 404-955-7338 or shoot us an email at info@fusiontaxes.com. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, my name is Dylan DeSigio of Fusion CPA. We appreciate you tuning in, and until next time, guys, have an absolutely amazing day.